Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So beat, to bang on something, to a sequence or not. To be better in some way, So I will beat the drum. I beat the drums. Nice. Or to be better in some way. So he beats the drums. He beats it to a rhythm. A rhythm. Oops, not that one. He beats it to a rhythm. Yeah, how cool is that? So he will beat them to the finish line, to be better than something. Yeah, I will beat them to the end of the race. Can you beat me in a competition? Can you beat me in a competition? Yes, no, maybe. So I beat. You beat. They beat. Yeah, they beat them 3-0. They beat them 3-0 in football. Yeah. I always beat the drums. Whoops. Very good. You beat it to a pattern. Beat it to a rhythm. Nice. So he beats, she beats, it beats. He beats the instruments. He beats them. He beats them at their own game. She beats her in the race. She will beat. She beats them. She's going to beat. It beats and works. It beats and goes into shape, perhaps. Okay. But we could say, we beat the iron into shape. We beat it into shape. We bang something. We bang something. We bang something into shape. Okay? He is beating him to the finish line. Do you think he can beat her to the finish line? Yeah. Can he beat his old record? Possible. She is going to beat her to the prize. Yeah. But she might do something smart and beat her instead. There is always a chance. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So beat, to bang something to a sequence or not, and a better way to do things. Beat them to the finish line. I'll beat them to the end. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So I beat, you beat, they beat. He beats, she beats, it beats. Yeah. How cool is that? So beat. Now, can you use beat in a sentence? Comment the sentence below. And like the video. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come, more on their way. And you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.